Thugger with my mama, I ain't never had a dad.
No more than like the width of the garage.
I'm gonna keep it G. If you'll be fucking, I'ma smash it.
I'm scared as fuck.
No, you good, you good, you good.
Shooters on the scene, they take a picture like they taffy. I'm trying to get you done, I ain't trying to do it fast. They could be so lavish. Shout out to them, they could be stopping up for average. Her baby, she get like she said, oh, she told me brand. If you put me in position, I'ma pop up and go bad. You from where you live, you can't leave your life.
The walking part, we definitely got to figure out something else. It's gonna be too shaky. I think you'll be good with the one walking in the cemetery.
Unless he walks right here and you're over there, but you still
Just
get
like getting like more like stationary.
Yeah, bro, if you want, like, yo, shit, like, I did 9 of these pieces on the wall type shit, like, I'll straight up, like, whatever you need, bro, I'll push it down for you. Nah, not all that. But I got girls, I did all the graffiti.
Yeah. No doubt, bro. Bet me don't like it, bro. I'm real deal, bro. I'm hit you up, bro.
Yeah.
Real shit, bro. Y'all boys stay safe.
Yeah, you as well, bro.
Yeah, thirsty.
Like I said, get that shit in the background.
Yeah, thirsty. I mean, you got you people, man. Boom. Now, boom. Wait, y'all seeing this shit just happen right now. What's today? What's today's date?
7.
June 7th. You know what I'm saying? Let's talk to them boys. We just made that connection. That merch gonna come out soon. Y'all gonna see that shit soon. You know what I'm saying? Don't play crazy.
Ready?
Yeah, you doing direct center?
If I had it.
I swear this shit like a bad dream, nigga. To my brother,
Let's do some like Lil Yachty shit. You ever see where they just be doing like random shit where like and they head just standing there and they just rapping like it's straightforward.
It's straight, like straight.
Like just you don't gotta move.
Don't move, yeah.
Like the Teletubby.
Direct that way and just keep just rapping just like on some just like
the Teletubby.
Yeah, type.
That's like actually my favorite. Those are my favorite types of music videos.
I swear this shit like a bad dream, nigga. To my brother, you don't know the problems cash bring. People say they love me, I get scared like it's a bad thing. I never argue with a nigga who ain't had green. Throwing dirty money on the bitch to keep her ass clean. There's never competition, I love buddy say he passed. Talking about that little boy, that shit that give me gas. Gotta watch these nigga, cause these nigga moving sassy. That thuggin' with my mama, I ain't never had a daddy. Gotta watch them, in case these niggas try to jack me. They see I'm in the gym, why these cameras tryna have me. You don't ever hear rob bottom, rob a nigga sound like Jackie. I switched up the source because a nigga tryna tax me. Shooters on the scene, they take a picture like they taxi.
Look, more little side scene. 32, I'm trying to think. Might as well get a wide angle one on the wall. Like just to have the graffiti in the background. I'm trying to think of like B-roll to catch here. It's always the hardest part, bro. Action, like scenes and performance scenes are easy. It's B-roll that's hard. So we're gonna save the 16 to 35 wide angle shot for nighttime for sure, for the wall. We got, what scenes did we get? We got the train track on the floor, sitting on the floor. Pretty sure you got that already. Taxi throw right here. And then we got, what else did we get? Oh, the one you walking down the train track, the little starter warm up one. So we gotta wait for the sun to go down now so we can catch another train track scene, and then we got some wall scenes we gotta do.
How you feeling?
Man, you know what I'm saying? I'm feeling motherfucking good, man. We just made a connection, you know what I'm saying? This shit might change everybody's life, you know what I'm saying? We got taxi on the lens, you know what I'm saying? We got swerve on the lens, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of magic in the air, you know what I'm saying? Can you feel it, Mr. Crowd? Oh, okay. What you talking about? Yeah. But you know what I'm saying? We about to cook this shit up, you know what I'm saying? Supreme team. That's really how this shit coming, you know what I'm saying? This shit imported from Cali, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Smell me? You schmigadelic? Okay. What you talking about? My brother on the way, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Marco Valet. Really him, really that one. Alright. You don't know who that is. Just remember I said that, you feel me? Marco motherfucking Valet. You know what I'm saying? Astronaut child. That guy. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We about to cook this shit up, Quay. Later on tonight, we about to go ahead and get back in there again, you know what I'm saying? I just talked to my brother Britt, you know what I'm saying, while we did our little intermission. You know what I'm saying? He said it's go time. He said let's do it.
I put the wide lens on you guys, so now I'm vlogging as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna vlog on here and use this footage as well. So we're gonna see how this goes. But I'm taxiing behind the lens, and yeah.
Cause it's a youngin' body and them niggas toe tag. Be cautious with every step, cause any step could be your last, bitch. Shout out double A, cause bitch, I been above average. I ain't never had a daddy.
Hey, you're hard. Thanks for seeing that shit early. My that bitch coming though. Oh, but you need to record it.
Yeah.
We gotta move our stuff, but you need to record it. little bit coming. We don't know how fast it's coming, but we know it's coming. I got it. We'll be going to sidewalk real quick.
There's a good spot.
There we go. Let's chill right here.
And I'ma keep it G if you'll be fucking, I'ma smash it. I swear this shit hit like a bad dream. Niggas say they brother, you don't know the problem, cash green. People say they love me, I can steal like it's a bad thing. I never argue with a nigga who ain't had green. Throwing dirty money on the bitch that keep her hands clean. Was never competition, why the buddy say he passed me? Talking about that look up for this shit. I'm scared as fuck.
No, you good, you good, you good.
Tag me, they see how militant that what they think we're trying to hang. If I ever hit my wall, rob a nigga, this could be your last bitch. Shout out double A.
Another one coming. Oh shit.
Baby shaking that, she said it's real, she told me grab it.
That one was slow shutter, it looked pretty clean. I like when the trains go on past.
I was perfect. 2 of them bitches, nigga. Back the motherfucking back like Drizzy them, you know what I'm saying? Got taxi, we done caught all this shit, nigga. We got swerve, we done caught all this shit, nigga. Swerve, nigga, taxi. What you talking about, nigga? Yeah. Really like that.
So we could take the slow shutter from the slow shutter from the tree at the cemetery
And have it warp into that.
have it warp into this one. Look where the train come past. Shoom. Rapping. And we had the other one come past. We wasn't expecting that. You know, it'd be dope even too. We like had it like that, but then we reversed it like halfway when the train come back and have it like reverse back. That'd be dope. On that.
She said it was she told me
Well, open the gates.
Dreco, you doing the ones by the bus stop still? I don't know if you should shoot right there, gang. I ain't gonna lie. I don't think he's gonna be able to wake up on like a Brinks facility. Never seen that in my life.
I only see cars.
We were just about to shoot in front of it too. Niggas really got in trouble for sure. Not in trouble, but niggas would have pressed us for sure.
Past the train track.
You got somebody behind you, gang.
It's a up. You gonna see a sign that say up.
What he was honking on my car? Genesis plotting on my car right there. My car right there. Shit. Weird ass.
Is he right here?
Trying to figure it out. I wish we would have.
We gotta stand right there.
Huh?
You might have to stand right there.
Oh, and just watch him pop up? Y'all don't want. Okay, that makes more sense. I was gonna say, if y'all want to do the one like how we did at the graveyard like this, I'm going, that bitch damn near impossible. So it's almost impossible.
Hey man, say man, y'all know what the fuck it is, dog. Yeah, I was telling y'all about that one. Yeah, it's right here. Hey, brother.
I'm on the phone.
Come on, man. Yeah, you already see what the fuck it is, man. Yeah. Marco Valley, y'all already know what it is. AMMB shit. Y'all already know the gang. Motion Mob. Come on, man. Double M shit. You know what the fuck going on, man. Hey, bro, you want the shade? Bro, left the fucking black one, bro. That's what I'm saying. You want the black one? I'm sad. I love everything, bro. I love the slides and beanie. Yeah, man, you see what the fuck going on. We on the blizzy.
Wow, yeah.
Shit.
Fuck them shades, nigga.
Gotta wait $10. Yeah, I got them hoes for $10. I ain't scared to say it. Fuck you saying? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I ain't frivolous with my cheese. You know what I'm saying? We work hard for this shit. You hear me? You know what I'm saying? Where we at, man? We at till now. Shout out to my 5. No parking at any time. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not gonna lie, we gotta have to go quick.
You don't want to, because your lip's not gonna show. So you can just have some fun, Dreco.
Hey man, for my nigga bitch speed, man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. We hear that.
I swear they shit like a bad dream. Nigga, to my brother, you don't know the problems cash bring. People say they love me, I just feel like it's a bad thing. I never argue with a nigga who ain't had green. Throwing dirty money on the bitch to keep her hand. So I love what he say he bad. Look what hey, I play.
Let's see. Do you think we should? I'm trying to think with that light. I'll have to turn my shutter speed up.
Shooters on the scene and take a picture like they taxi. I'm trying to get it done. I ain't trying to do it fancy. And I still got some more ones. I told her keep on dancing and tricking. If you got it, I'ma spend it. If
You
I
gonna
can.
walk, try to just walk like back and forth from like
It's kind of hard. I'm listening.
no more than like the width of the garage. Try to stay within the width of the garage, brother.
Problems can't bring. People say they love me, I get scared like it's a bad thing. I never argue with a nigga who ain't had green. Throwing dirty money on a bitch to keep her ass clean. Was never competition. While little buddy say he passed me. Talking about that little buddy shit, they give me gassy. Gotta watch these niggas, cut these niggas moving sassy. Been fucking with my mama, I ain't never had a daddy. Gotta keep her.
We're going back. We're headed back to the train tracks because it's nighttime.
Like a bad dream, nigga, to my brother, you don't know the problems cash bring. People say they love me, I get scared like it's a bad thing. I never argue with a nigga who ain't had green. Throwing dirty money out of the bitch to make my ass.
We got another extension cord. Gonna help me put both of them in.
I never argue with a nigga who ain't had green. Throwing dirty money on a bitch to keep her ass. Was never competition. My little buddy say he passed. Talking about that little boy, that shit they give me gas. Gotta watch these nigga, cut these nigga moving sassy. Been thugging with my mama, I ain't never had a dad.
Anything plugged in, dude?
He said no. Spider?
Lizard. Nah, I think it was a lizard.
Man,
No, I didn't know what it was.
I was about to say, boy. I'm gonna say, oh.
The top one open.
Long, ooh.
It's an arm ass light. That's one thing. I think if I put the other one on the other side, he should be straight.
What are you gonna plug it into though? You don't have a splitter.
No, I do. It's in the car, so I gotta go back and get it.
Cause remember he's trying to sleep. He's trying to sleep right here. It might be enough light, low key too though. Like just place it on top of it. Oh, the standing scene too.
The wall too.
Oh, okay.
Like how we did our last one.
Yeah.
So we can do this one quick.
Hey, brother. Hey, you'll be able to hold this light?
You damn near should do a whole scene on the.
Cause like, I'm about to lay down on the tracks. You just gotta hold that, bro.
So do the waking up one again. We're gonna do just that quick one, like how we did back in the cemetery. We'll catch a quick one of you just focusing on the wake up, and then we could almost run that scene back how we did where you was looking backwards at me. But
yeah. And now the church.
All the cars would be moving back there.
Yeah.
But somebody will still have to sit here and kind of just hold this light. That should have looked hard. You could just hold it just directly above it like that.
Bless up, bro.
Fishbowl.
Watch your setup shot right here.
Yeah, and lay it like
Tax in production. You feel me?
People gonna be looking like, yo, what the fuck?
Low for these niggas.
People probably driving past like idiots.
The fuck is this dumbass nigga doing?
When you get older.
Fucking niggas.
They better not have said all that, but.
Nah, they be
Come over here just a little bit. Just a little more. All right, cool. Who got the phone?
I got it.
Okay. Whenever you ready.
I got it.
I still clothes and all that shit. Hey man, for my nigga Big Speed, man, watch bitch, don't watch me. We heard that.
I swear that shit here like a bad dream. Nigga, to my brother, you don't know the problems cash bring. People say they love me, I just feel like it's a bad thing. I never argue with a nigga who ain't had green. Throwing dirty money on a bitch to keep her ass clean. Was never competition. Why little buddy say he passed me? Talking about that little buddy shit, they give me gas. Gotta watch these niggas, cut these niggas moving sassy. Been thugging with my mama, I ain't never had a daddy. Gotta keep her, in case these niggas try to jab me. They see I'm in the chin, that why these scammers try to have me. If I ever hear about rob a nigga sound like Jackie, I should turn the sword because a nigga try to fight. Niggas on the scene, they take a picture like they right here.
With the bus in the back, hard.
Oh damn. The cemetery nigga straight sun. And I had on the hoodie, nigga. All black.
You know what I mean? Talking crazy. Got his hands on the tracks.
With cheese on it, with cheese.
Little breaker. Shit. It's hot, tired. What time is it?
9:09.
It's 9 o'clock and it's still hot, bro. Shit's ridiculous, bro. Humid as fuck.
Cabrón. We love you too, sir.
Nah, this scene was hard though. Yo, I was able to do one of them little rotations. My camera's upside down this whole time. So imagine my camera being like, it really like this. So
You know what I'm saying? You find the light, you find the way. I think I done found that motherfucker, huh? I don't think they're ready, dog. And I mean that. Mean that, pussy.
Nah, bro, that shit was scary. As soon as you left.
bro, that shit scared me.
Hey, look, I don't know how you feeling, bro.
Might as well.
I don't know how you feeling, but whichever one is not coming on, I'm about to go out that bitch.
Oh nah, don't do that.
Alright.
It ain't worth all that. You don't never know what's coming. Fuck around, we be sure.
Fuck it, it might be the final destination.
That shit ain't worth it. Let's talk about some get on some train tracks. Hell nah.
Hey, Orlando photographer gets sued.
Orlando videographer sued by family.
Orlando artist dies on the tracks.
Can't have it.
Filming music video.
I'll be right back.
They're gonna want to see the visuals so bad.
My name is man. Watch this, don't watch this. We heard that. I swear that shit here like a bad dream. Nigga, to my brother, you don't know the problem cash free. I say they love me, I just feel like it's a bad thing. I never.
I'm just making sure.
All my little breaks, they gonna track on the road. This shit.
Set shit up.
That shit. Hey,
Just run one more.
wanna do one
One more where? We're at on the tracks or where?
No, it's right here.
And not
I'ma try to-
slide to the stool.
I don't know. What you think I should try to do different about it?
Got it, I'ma spit it in my head. Working on the knees, I call her man, and she a savage. When it's time to eat, I'm taking me, I gotta have it. And I'm like,
Yeah, alrighty.
That's it for today.
That's turkey, man. Nigga appreciate y'all.
Alpine shot, cemetery, railroad, rinks facility.
Undercover shit going on in there.
Oh yeah. Shit, appreciate you, Taxi.
No doubt.
My dog did a lot of creative directing. Is that what I'm supposed to say? Creative directing? Yeah, I did a lot of creative directing today. Helped out a lot with the sets, different ideas, different angles. My dog BBE Dreco, man, going crazy as always, trying to take over the O. Not even trying to, is taking over the O. So doing his thing. Next coming up for sure. So make sure y'all stay tuned in the visuals. Tap in with Taxi. Wrapping it up for the day, so just stay tuned, man.
That 2 for 50. Fuck you talking about?
Say till I touch a milli, nigga. I'm gonna have them Claire's earrings in all day.
Yeah,
nigga.
that 2 hit Claire's was too expensive, nigga. I went over there. They tried to hit a nigga for 80. I said, whoa. Hold on, guys. Oh, hold on, man. You see who the fuck?
Bro, that's crazy. He calls every single
That
time.
shit crazy, right?
Every single time, bro. Every time.
Damn, my speaker so ass. Free man, hey man, Bricks and motherfucking P, you on the motherfucking camera right now, but I don't know how your ass always know when to call, nigga, but you always call at the right time, nigga. What you gotta say? Come on, man, crazy man, you already know what the fuck going on, man. We on the track, we on the tracks with this shit right now. We on track with this shit right now. You know what I'm saying? We on track with this shit right now. You feel me?
You know the little in the ocean, when you're too deep in the ocean, they got that little fish with the light on top.
Yeah, that's exactly what it looks like.
Hold on, say that one more time.
I said, they don't know the problem that cash brings.
Come on, man. You don't know the problem that cash brings, man. Niggas say they love me, I get scared like it's a bad thing. What you talking about? Hey, Bricks, bro, I promise, brother, I never argue with a nigga who ain't had green.